Good morning friends, welcome to our channel. Let's learn colors. Light green color, red color, black color, light blue color, dark blue color, orange color, dark green color, pink color, lime color, yellow color, purple color, brown color.
Let's start the video. This is the oval shape. This is the star. This is hexagon. It have 6 sides. This is octagon. It have 8 sides. This is cross. It's a heart shape. It's a red color. Let's do color the oval with red color. This is brown color. Let's color the star with brown color. This is dark blue color. Let's color hexagon with dark blue color. This is light green color. Let's color octagon with light green color. This is baby pink color. Let's color cross with baby pink color. This is red color. Let's color heart with red color. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel. See you in next video.